Artificial intelligence, or AI, sounds complicated, but it's not just for scientists and tech experts, it's all around us, making our lives easier in ways we might not even notice. AI is like a smart helper that learns from information and adapts to our needs. It uses this learning to do tasks that usually need human intelligence, like understanding speech or recognizing faces. Think of it like a student who studies hard and becomes really good at solving problems, getting better with each lesson. AI isn't about robots taking over the world or replacing humans. It's about making things simpler and more efficient, helping us with everyday tasks. It's about using the power of computers to assist us in our daily routines, making life more convenient. From our smartphones to our cars, AI is already playing a big role, and its influence is only growing. You probably use AI every day without even realizing it. Our smartphones are packed with AI-powered features. When you unlock your phone with your face, that's AI at work. AI helps your phone recognize your face and grant access. Ever wonder how your phone keyboard predicts your next word so accurately? That's AI too. It learns your writing style and suggests words, making typing faster. These are just a few examples of how AI is already integrated into our daily routines. AI is transforming healthcare in incredible ways. It helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Imagine an AI system that can analyze medical images like X-rays. It can spot abnormalities that even the most experienced doctor might miss. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and treatments. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and make predictions that would be impossible for humans alone. This means faster development of life-saving medications and therapies. Section 4. The two sides of the AI coin. Like any powerful tool, AI has both benefits and drawbacks. It is a double-edged sword that can bring about significant advancements and challenges. On the positive side, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems. It can revolutionize various sectors and improve the quality of life for many. It can help us fight climate change, improve healthcare, and provide innovative solutions to complex issues. AI can also create safer and more efficient transportation systems, making our cities smarter and more sustainable. However, there are also concerns about job displacement as AI becomes more sophisticated. Many fear that automation could lead to significant unemployment. It's crucial to address these concerns and ensure that AI benefits everyone in society. Policymakers and communities must work together to create inclusive strategies. We need to prepare for the future of work by equipping people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. This includes investing in education and training programs that focus on technology and innovation. Section 5. A future shaped by AI. The future of AI is full of possibilities, offering us new ways to interact with the world around us. As AI continues to evolve, it will become even more integrated into our lives, transforming how we live, work, and play. We can expect to see AI-powered homes, personalized education systems tailored to individual needs, and even self-driving cars becoming commonplace, revolutionizing transportation and mobility. The key is to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly with a focus on ethical considerations. We must prioritize ethical considerations and focus on using AI for good, ensuring it benefits all of humanity. By embracing the potential of AI while addressing its challenges, we can harness its power for positive change. Together we can create a future where technology empowers and enhances our lives, making the world a better place for everyone.